In this question, we are dealing with 2 years 1990 and 1993, and it's given that in both these years X bicycles were sold, right? And then it says the bicycle producers of Western Europe had 42% share of this market in 1990. So the percentage market share is 42% in 1990, and the share was 33% in 1993. Now we need to find out what is the decrease in the annual number of bicycles produced and sold in Western Europe from 1990 to 1993. So that's the question. All right. Now let's look at the question again. As per the question, in 1990, X bicycles were sold in Western Europe and X bicycles were sold in 1993 also. Out of this X bicycles in 1990, 42% came from producers in Western Europe. So that's what's given over here, right? Bicycle producers of Western Europe had a 42% share. So I can say that in 1990, the number of cycles produced and sold. So X is sold, right? And 42% is the share of the producers from Western Europe. So produced and sold will be 42% of X in 1990. And in 1993, it would be 33% of X. And we need to find out the decrease from 42% of X to 33% of X. So you can see that the base of this is the same, right? It's X over here and X over here. So the difference is 9% of X. And that's the answer, which is answer option D, right? Now you can see over here, you just had to subtract it. 42% of X minus 33% of X is nothing but 42 minus 33% of X. Notice over here, let me just give you another example. Let's say you're doing 40% of 100 and you're subtracting 10% of 100. Now the difference, I can write this as 30% of 100. And why is that so? Because the base is the same, right? So 40% of 100 is 40. 10% of 100 is 10, 40 minus 10 is 30, which is nothing but 30% of 100. So over here also is the same thing, 42% of X minus 33% of X, the base is the same. So I can take it out and make it a common factor and I get 42 minus 33% of X, which is 9% of X. Now let's look at what is being tested in this question. Now, if the question asks absolute change or percentage change. So this is something that you should be able to identify from the question. We have seen many questions where percentage change was asked, which is change by initial value into 100, right? So over here, we are just asked the absolute change, and it is the absolute change is represented in terms of percentage because that's how the question describes it. But that does not mean that we are trying to find the percentage change. Now do subscribe to this channel to get notified when I release the next video. And do check the description to know more about my other GMAT programs. All the best in your preparation.